Your liver is one of the most hardworking organs in your body. It filters toxins, breaks down fats, supports digestion, and keeps your body healthy. But poor lifestyle, junk food, alcohol, and stress can slowly damage it. The good news? You don't always need medicines to support your liver. Nature has already given us some powerful superfoods that can cleanse and protect your liver. In this video, I'll share the 10 best superfoods to clean your liver naturally. Make sure to watch till the end, because the last food is something most people ignore, but it can transform your liver health. Superfoods Section 1. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful detoxifier. Its sulfur compounds activate liver enzymes that help flush out toxins. Just 1-2 cloves a day can make a big difference. 2. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, especially egg, which reduces fat buildup in the liver. Drinking 1-2 cups daily can improve liver function naturally. 3. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are loaded with chlorophyll. They help neutralize heavy metals and chemicals that stress the liver. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory that protects liver cells and even helps repair damage. Adding a pinch to warm milk or meals daily is highly effective. 5. Beetroot. Beetroot increases blood flow to the liver and is packed with antioxidants. It improves detoxification and boosts energy levels. 6. Lemon. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which stimulates the liver to produce more detox enzymes. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water, simple but powerful. 7. Walnuts. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and amino acids like arginine. These help the liver clear out toxins, especially ammonia. 8. Avocado. Avocados provide glutathione, a compound that helps repair liver cells and prevents damage. Eating just 2-3 avocados per week is beneficial. 9. Olive oil. Unlike unhealthy oils, olive oil reduces fat buildup in the liver. It supports healthy enzyme levels and lowers inflammation. 10. Berries. Blueberries and cranberries. Berries are loaded with antioxidants and polyphenols. They protect the liver from oxidative stress and keep it functioning at its best. Lifestyle tips. Now, along with these superfoods, here are a few lifestyle tips. Drink plenty of water to flush toxins. Avoid excess alcohol and smoking. Stay physically active to improve liver function. Remember, food works best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. So those were the 10 powerful superfoods that clean your liver naturally. Which of these do you already eat? Garlic? Green tea? Or maybe berries? Comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Take care of your liver, because a healthy liver means a healthy life.